So hi all, good evening. Welcome to the live analysis on 26/11/2025. And yes, so looking on to today's market, so what we were expecting is a kind of a short covering, and that exactly happened on Nifty. Okay, so we were also expecting a kind of bullish move today, but so it was actually kind of near to 300 points, near to 1% upside move we had seen on Nifty, and it's a kind of the pure price action which we can actually forecast or project on Nifty here. So this trend lines and all the levels will be mostly it will definitely work. So the 25,400, 25,500, near to 25,500 is the next main level we are expecting the market to reach very soon. And we are also having some news from the JP Morgan stating that the Nifty will be by 2026 it will be reaching 30,000. Okay, so that's the studies or that's the view from JP Morgan. And looking on to the overall sectors, you can see Bank Nifty is up by 1.2%, and even Nifty mid cap and small cap also outperformed by near to 1 more than 1%. Okay, so which was not actually seen since couple of weeks. The mid cap and small cap was little on a sluggish side, but today we had seen it also got an outperformance. And looking on to the Nifty, okay, looking back to Nifty again. So here, what we had seen is a slight gap up, and it was a continuous rally. Okay, continuous rally. 26,000 was a kind of a break, is a kind of speed breaker where the market gives a small correction or a kind of small profit booking, but still the rally continues, and it was a straight line, the trending market with higher highs and higher lows with a pure structured market. Coming to Bank Nifty, okay, so this is a network issue. So some network issues are happening. Okay, so looking on to Bank Nifty also, we had seen a slight gap up again, and the market was still on a rally and near to 59,500. Okay, so around the range of 59,500, then the rally didn't. Coming to the rally didn't actually still continuous, but it was actually on a sideways on Bank Nifty. Looking on to Reliance was also showing the same kind of momentum, and HDFC Bank the same, and ICICI Bank really it was performing good. And on the daily time frame, so on the daily time frame on ICICI Bank, we were actually expecting this level to get a rebound, and it exactly happens. And today itself, it almost went near to 1.2% upside. So the pure price action again, the trend line breakout and a bullish move is now happening. And looking onto the overall sectors, even the mid cap, the small cap is also up by 1.18%. The small cap. So you can see since 81 to near to consistently for back to back 6 days, the market was or the bank small cap Nifty index, small cap index was actually falling, and from there we are actually seeing a good bounce back, and even on mid cap also. So mid cap is also ready to fly above 14,200. So that's the level. And looking on to the Nifty again, so we are actually having a trend line which is near to 26,600. So 26,400 is one of the key area where the market will be respecting very nearby, and the last swing low, which is sorry, swing high, which is near to 26,282, just so nearby levels are there. So near to 26 26 to 80, we can actually expect the market to show a mild correction. Tomorrow I'm also expecting a flat to a slight bullish move on the first step. Then after that, followed by what I'm expecting is a slight correction or a profit booking near to the level of 26,100. Okay, so the 26,150 will be the nearby level, and below that again 26,000 will be the level. So these are the key levels where I'm actually expecting the market to give a bounce back on Nifty. Whereas on Bank Nifty, if you watch the daily time frame, again, the flag patterns are still trending, and it's almost up by 2.6%, 1,500 point upside. And we are having the levels of 61,000 will be the higher targets, and on 60,000, which will be a psychological level, there will be a kind of correction. So tomorrow again, a flat to gap is near almost a flat start is what I'm expecting. So 159, 200 will be the nearby or a valid level for the correction. Okay, so that's all on Nifty Bank. Looking on to the FIA DI data. FIA DI data, you can see the FIS are also start pumping the money. So it's almost a kind of bullish market and bullish scenario that we are now expecting on the Indian market. Okay.